understand how the gravity works. See here, this is a paper slip and this is a stone, and how gravity works in both. See, as you understand that the gravity works deeply in the stone, and the paper falls later on. Now, most of the people think that the earth pulls them down, but it is not the case. The space, actually the space which is pushing us towards the earth, the mass of earth and what the space surrounded by it, actually when the earth bends the space which is surrounded by itself, and that space pushing us towards the center of the earth, and that curvature of the space which is actually responsible for the gravity. This is the case which Isaac Newton didn't understand at that time, how the gravity works. Then the Einstein came and he said that earth is not responsible to pulling us and keeping us stable in the surface of the earth, but the space which is pushing down and all the objects towards the earth. That's how the gravity, and this is called the general theory of relativity, which postulated that the gravity works in this manner. And this opens the new door of in science and our understanding about the universe. This is how the gravity works. So what is the impact of gravity that we understand? As you know that the GPS working on the gravity, actually it is working the rotation of the earth, but the gravity acts a very important role there. And the elevation, all kind of elevation, that means the flying objects, the planes, the rockets and the helicopters. As we understand what should be the power of engine, what should be the elevation process, so that we defy the gravity. And by understanding these laws, we escape from the earth to the moon. There is a velocity 11.2 kilometer per second, which is very much needed to escape from the earth's atmosphere and go must for to going into the space. So when there is a difference between the velocity and speed, most of the people are confusing about that. The velocity is constant and the speed is just changing at the time at the rate of time. So by understanding gravity, we can revolutionize the all the human civilization. It is working in, it is acting all our life from inner and outside. All our mobile phones, all our radio stations, all our space stations, all our communications run by it. So this is the gravity, and this is the most important thing. uh, but now we didn't use it properly, because we don't have the proper instrument how to use the gravity for our uses, like just like we use the what radio waves and the light waves for our communication. Think about it, when we use the gravity, it will change the human civilization forever, because there is no need of what any objects to travel from here to there. We just defy the gravity and travel in a space. Our communication will be changed. There's no need of mobile phones or any kind of instruments, maybe. So let's see what the science will give us in the future. That's it.